And then tone 3 is 爆啦，爆咧 can mean explosive. Okay, someone is explosive, then you can say it 爆。If his character is explosive, 咁you can say that 哦呢個人好爆嘅，呢個人嘅性格好爆。Or you add a word 火，火 means fire. So he is explosive as a fire. Okay, or he will always be so explosive and then spark of fire. Then you can imagine what kind of character this person has, right? So 好爆啊，好火爆啊，OK or sometimes if there is a explosion, you can say 哦有爆炸，or 有爆炸聲啊，or 間屋爆咗啊，OK or then that is explosive 爆啦or can mean hot temper，OK 呢個人好火爆，OK。And then we go to PAU 啦。Oh, maybe we make some sentence for our AAU and then BAU 爆，OK for our tone 1 scratch, okay don't scratch your hand and then you become careless when you're walking so that you will have ligament, okay you will hurt your leg and so and then don't argue with persons, okay and then you should have the courage to finish something to the end. Don't fail to complete 唔好熬底啊 okay and then 包we always go to the Chinese restaurant to have some 叉燒包I like to eat 包 and then you always make me so full 我食到好飽and besides the bread in the Chinese restaurant we can also have a bologna, okay then it's a bit more expensive, but it tastes nice. Okay, so we have 包、麵包、叉燒包 and 鮑魚 alright and then it makes me so full 我食到好飽啊 but I don't have a hot temper even the waiter or waitress are careless, I won't lose temper to them, I won't be 火爆 okay yeah okay we go to PAU 拋拋咧，tone 1咧is to throw something that is 拋。For example, you throw your school bag, okay, at someone，咁你就將你個書包向人哋拋過去。But usually in spoken we won't say 拋嘅，we say 抌。拋 is more written, but sometimes we can use 拋書包to mean you want to show your knowledge, to show off your knowledge, then it's 拋書包 because 書包 should use to contain your books and then books should contain knowledge, okay so you throw your 書包 that means you throw your books, you throw your knowledge at someone, that means you show off, okay so sometimes we say that 哇你又喺度拋書包啦，or 唔好拋書包啦，係咪啊 that means you don't show off you allow showing off, okay and then sometimes we say 拋眉眼okay that means you stare at someone and then you raise a little bit of your eyebrow and then sometimes it's used in flirting, okay there is a 拋眉眼okay and then tone 2 is 跑啦，跑means run, okay 跑步跑緊I'm running I want to do running for exercise, okay that is run don't run 唔好走okay be careful don't run under the rain, okay 唔好走落雨it is raining 落雨唔好走don't run be careful, okay and then another 跑咧 is the sharpener, sometimes we say 鉛筆跑okay or even 眉筆跑 okay that means a sharpener to sharpen the pencil, okay but nowadays we seldom use a pencil even the eyeliner in the past we need a sharpener to sharpen the eyeliner pencil but nowadays we can use the liquid one, okay so if you use the wooden one then you need a sharpener, alright so that is a 跑啦 okay now and then tone 3 is 跑tone 3 is 拋 okay 跑 tone 3 is 泡啦，泡 means you can say 泡茶，that means make a tea, okay that is 跑啦，跑 that is 跑啦，make a T, okay? And then tone 4 跑跑跑跑。跑咧 just now we say sharpen the same word but different sound. If we use it as a verb to sharpen, to skin off something, then we say 跑。OK 攞支 sharpener OK 嚟刨尖佢 OK 尖 means make it sharp OK then you can use it alright so use a sharpener to sharpen to skin off that is tone 4 跑 OK the same tone 4 sound we can say 跑哮that means roar OK roar roar. So in this PAU you can make a sentence OK don't 拋書包唔好拋書包don't show off your knowledge it is not good OK and then don't run under the sun 唔好走喺個雨下邊唔好走can you lend me a sharpener I want to sharpen my pencil 可唔可以借支刨俾我筆刨俾我等我咧可以刨我支筆咁樣係啊。Alright, and then we go to MAAU, 貓 okay 貓 for tone 1 it is cat okay 貓sometimes we have a face to describe to use the cat to refer to lady okay because we take the characters of Mao and ladies sometimes they have similarities in their characteristics. For example, we think that the Mao is very sensitive, emotional, and when you want to hug them or when you want to catch them, they run away, okay? And then they won't like the dog to stand by you and always lick you and always want to hug you or waiting for your hug. The Mao maybe they will just hide them in certain corner and then even when you come to them they will run away or they will just wait for you to hug them to take initiative. So just like the ladies, even the ladies are waiting for you to pursue them, they will still try to hide them up or to appear to be very elegant, to show no attention to you, but maybe in their heart they are waiting for you, okay? Or even you want to pursue them and they won't let you succeed so easily, okay? They must test you, they must try to get you done something so that they feel satisfied that you are a good guy for them to be friends with you at least, okay? So we take the Mao and the lady similar. So we have a phrase saying that 高竇嘅貓兒高竇 that means you always try to appear elegant, over elegant. Don't touch me, okay? Don't come to me, okay? So 高竇啦So take the lady as the 貓高竇貓兒 actually it can refer to the cat, but actually it refers to the lady, sorry.